In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently handle the creation and application of credit memos, specifically focusing on managing overpayments and applying them to future invoices. This is a crucial task for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring customer satisfaction. So let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. To begin, let's create a new credit memo. This is a document issued by a seller to a buyer, reducing the amount that the buyer owes. It's common in cases where there is an overpayment or when products are returned. First, navigate to your financial or accounting software, where you'll usually find an option to create credit memos under the Sales or Invoices section. Once there, initiate a new credit memo. You'll need to enter the essential details of the transaction. These details typically include the customer's information, the credit memo date, and a unique reference number. Make sure to accurately list the items or services involved as well as any tax implications. This ensures that both your business's records and your customer's records are aligned. Now that we've set up our credit memo, let's move on to applying an overpayment. This step is important if a customer has paid more than the total amount due on an invoice. You want to make sure you properly account for this so there's no discrepancy in your books. Identify the customer's overpayment by reviewing their account or invoice history. Once you've pinpointed the overpayment, open the corresponding credit memo and apply it against this excess amount. Doing this promptly helps maintain transparency and trust with your customer, as they'll appreciate knowing you're on top of their account details. Next, we have the choice to refund the overpayment to the customer or to apply it to their future invoices. If you opt to refund the overpayment, it signals to your customer that you're attentive and that they're valued. To do this, prepare a refund transaction either through your office or online, depending on your company's policy and the customer's preference. Ensure that all necessary paperwork and approvals are complete to avoid any legal or logistical hiccups. On the other hand, if your agreement with the customer allows for applying the excess to future invoices, update your system accordingly. Document this decision thoroughly, ensuring that everyone involved is aware of the adjusted balance and there's a trail of transparency. Remember, maintaining open communication with your customers throughout this process is key to a smooth transaction and continued partnership. A quick email or phone call clarifying the situation and the steps you're taking to rectify or adjust their account balance can go a long way in fostering trust and long-term relationships. That's it for today's guide. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial dealings remain precise and customer-friendly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this video has been helpful in demystifying the handling of credit memos and applying overpayments efficiently.